Select the year you wish to start your studies from the drop-down menu. Select the course pathway. Then select the campus box, which will be the University of Derby Online. Select the month you wish to start your studies, and then the type of study is online distance learning, and then select your entry level. Finally, press Continue. If you have not applied for a course with us before, you will need to click on the Create Account button. Otherwise, click on the Login button if you have previously registered. Create Account takes you to the account creation page. Enter in your email address and then confirm it. Then you will need to enter in your first name and your last name, and then create a password. Your password must contain between 8 and 16 characters and have at least one lowercase and one uppercase and one number, and there must be no spaces. Then create account. The course details page is displayed. Complete the 2 questions on this page for your application to be created. The first question is asked purely to help with assessing your fee status, so click on either yes or no. And then choose how you will be funding your studies from the drop-down menu. And finally, click on Create Application. Personal information. Complete the fields in the Basic Information section. Enter in your date of birth. Then you will need to select your nationality. If you were from the United Kingdom, type in United, and then United Kingdom will appear in the drop-down menu. Select United Kingdom. Repeat this in the birth country. For country of permanent residency, if you've selected United Kingdom, you will now need to choose either England, Scotland, Wales or Ireland. Then select your gender and enter in a home telephone number and a mobile number. Next is your home address. Enter in the country, for example, United Kingdom. Individual address fields will then be displayed. Here you can use the postcode lookup. Type in the postcode into the box and click on the Find Address button. Then select next to the correct address to populate the address fields. Alternatively, you can complete the address fields manually. Please note that the postcode lookup is only for United Kingdom addresses. All others must be typed in manually. If you want to use a different mailing address, tick the mailing address box and complete address fields. If you want to keep it the same, then just leave blank. Answer all the questions in the general information at the bottom of the page. Click on Have you previously studied in the UK? Is your application linked to an agent? Do you have any disabilities or learning differences? Do you wish to apply for recognition of prior learning? And do you have any criminal convictions? In order to assess your application, we will need to have some form of official photographic identification. Click on the upload box here to upload a scanned copy of your passport, driving licence or other official photo ID. Once this is done, click on Save and Continue. Qualifications. If you don't have any qualifications, tick this box. Otherwise, add your most relevant qualifications onto this page. When you click on Add a Qualification, a pop-up box appears. In the Qualification Type field, select your qualification from the Type Ahead drop-down box, e.g. typing A into this field will list qualifications with A in the title. Select your subject or the nearest subject title. Enter in your grade, and if relevant, you can also enter in a percentage. Finally, enter the date of the award. If you cannot find your qualification in this list, you can type in OTH and select either Other UK Qualification or Other Overseas Qualification. Finally, press Save. You can add other relevant qualifications by clicking Add a Qualification box again. We will need proof of your qualifications, so use the Upload Proof of Qualification box to upload your certificates and transcripts. If your qualification documents are not in English, we will need an official translated version of your qualifications. If English is not your first language, you will need to provide proof of English language proficiency. In this case, click No to this question, and 2 more boxes appear where you can add your English qualifications and upload your certificates or transcripts. Click on Save and Continue, which will take you to the next step. Supporting info. You will need to upload your personal statement here. Your personal statement needs to be approximately 500 words and can include information such as why you want to do the course and any relevant experience. To upload your statement, click on Upload a Personal Statement. Choose your file and then press Upload. You will see the personal statement has now been added. Any other documents supporting your application can be uploaded in the Additional Documents section. If the course you're applying for specifies a CV, you will be able to upload it here. Employer details, if required, should be entered by clicking Add Employer Details. If references are required, these can also be uploaded here. A written reference should be supplied on company-headed paper and signed and dated from either a manager, supervisor, or the HR department. Once you've completed all the relevant sections, click Save and Continue. Review and submit. Take a few moments to review the summary page. Any sections which are not completed will be highlighted here. You can go back and update any incomplete sections. Read the data protection statement and the declaration, and then tick the box and click Save and Submit. You will be sent a submission and a confirmation email.